Describe a time when you organized a happy event. What the event was, how you prepared for it, who helped you to organize it, explain why you think it was a successful event. I love organizing parties and events at my place. In October 2021, while watching a TV show called The Great Race, I got an idea of organizing a treasure hunt within my city for my friends. Prior to that, I had never organized anything like that. Nonetheless, I shared this idea with my close friends and sought their opinions. Everybody loved this idea, and we unanimously decided 31st October as the date for the hunt. My preparations began on the 25th. I had to ensure that the clues for the treasure hunt were neither too easy nor too difficult for the people to solve. I prepared a total of 20 clues for 20 different locations in the city. To encode and encrypt the clues, I must have used 5 to 6 different websites. According to my initial estimates, 16 people would turn up and I would divide them in 4 teams. Little did I know what was about to happen on 31st. A staggering 75 people turned up. Most of them were friends of my friends who came to participate. In all, 19 teams took part that day instead of 4. I had no option but to request my wife to help. Initially, she was going to participate, but looking at the sheer number of contestants, she dropped her plan and came to my rescue. Had she not helped me that day, I would not have been able to manage the whole event all by myself. The rules were simple. Each team had to decrypt the code, go to the place, click a picture, then go to the next place. The team returning first with all correct places would win. On the day of the event, the game started at 3 p.m. with orientation and ended at 5:30 when all the teams returned. In spite of the grueling 2 hours on the road, all the participants were smiling and were eager to know who the winners were. I did my calculations and announced the winners. We all cheered for the winning team at the end. It was evident from people's faces that they had a whale of time during the treasure hunt. Every single individual, and I'm not exaggerating here, every single one of them personally thanked me for the perplexing game. Some even posted their experiences and feelings on their social media pages in a show of appreciation. It was undoubtedly a grand success. Now let's look at some lexical resources. Undoubtedly, grueling, encrypt, to come to rescue, unanimously, perplexing, exaggerate, to have a whale of time, evident. Thank you for watching this video. For more IELTS related videos, please subscribe to the Revise Academy YouTube channel.